In this video, I am going to import points in SW Road V2. Open SW Road V2, go to File, then go to New Project. Give it a name and save. Here pop-up appears of road design project details. You can put name of surveyor, designer. I am going to choose project option as design using terrain model. You can keep projection system as UTM. Put zone of 45° N for east and 44° N for west. Then click OK. Now our SW Road V2 interface is opened. Now go to DTM, then go to Points, click on Import Points from File, choose your Excel file. Your Excel file should be in CSV format or CSV file. Then click on Open. Now all our points are imported. To see them, click on Zoom Extend icon, or you can just double click on your middle mouse key. Now right click on SWDTM to add new layer. To draw road edge, give layer a name. You can change color of line. Also you can adjust line width and choose the line type, whether it is dotted or continuous. Then click on Add. Make it as current layer. Then click on Filter Points. Tick on Filter Points. Then tick on points name which you want to filter. I am filtering road left side data as LS so that I can easily join them. Then click OK. Here road left side data named LS are only shown, all other are hidden. Click on 3D polyline icon. We have to join road edge data by 3D polyline. You don't need to join them all, but if you join all, it will give more accurate results. Now I have joined all left side points. Right click on mouse. Again go to filter points and then select all so you can see all points are appear in drawing. Now again go to filter points and then filter only roads right side datas as I have here named as RS. Then click OK. Then it will show only right side datas and join them by 3D polyline easily. Click on 3D polyline icon and join road right side datas. After finishing joining, click on right mouse click. Now our road left and right datas are joined by 3D polyline. Also filter road left side and right side data to check whether we have joined them accurately or not. Select line, then check whether if you mistakenly clicked outside the point while joining them, then correct the line. Here, click on vertex of line and delete unnecessary vertex. Again here I clicked at other than at point, so click on line vertex and then click on snap to node, then click at point. It will join your line vertex to that point. Click on ESC button on your computer in your keyboard after finishing correction to deselect the line. Now go to filter points and select all and click OK. Again, right click on SWDTM and add a layer to draw a boundary. Name it as boundary line. You can change its color and line width style. Then click add and choose boundary line as active layer. Then go to DTM and then go to draw. Click on boundary. Now draw your boundary outside your points. Don't leave any points or drawing outside boundary line. Now go to DTM, then go to generate DTM. Then click OK. Our digital terrain model is now ready. Again go to DTM, then to contour, draw round contour. So our contours are drawn.